good day mga kabayo! Kita niyo ang video? Well, ang importante kinasabta na to ang video. Even at first ako wala ko sabot sa meaning ato. Pero, this will give us an idea into our updates, our terrarium. But we only have 2 videos left na update sa terrarium. Well, ang matter mo nga ano, mabala na ninyo niya. Before we dive in into our updates, let's have a recall. Humans like us, plants and other organisms are considered as living things. Kapulot anak na, di ba? And one of the most important thing is that, and is very recognized in us, is that we all eat and interact to survive. Mapping this whole place around us would consume much time to understand its complexity. So, dropping a small image out of it will help us understand the bigger picture. Between them, it allows energy to flow, and we can think of it as all the living things in the same food chain as neighborhood living in what we call the habitat. Together they will form a kind of system that will be explained by my colleague, Chris J. Estrilon and other.
A self-contained collection of different things that work together as a whole, and they also interact with the non-living stuff around them, like the water, the air, the ground, the sun. If we put it all together, what do we get? A special system called an ecosystem. So going back to the smaller picture of the environment, or should I say, the ecosystem with all the things mentioned lately, we shrink and seal it inside the jar to form a very special and amazing self-contained ecosystem called terrarium. The point is, the inhabitant inside might sometimes get wrong. So let's look at what happens when an ecosystem gets lost out of the balance.
So, we mentioned earlier the energy flow which we called a food chain. In our previous videos, we showed you the making our terrarium and we discussed to you the 2 trophs, the autotrophs which are the plants and the heterotrophs which are the millipedes and the ants. And we also discussed to you the decomposers which play a big role in our 3rd week update. So, the minuscule system inside the glass jar relies solely on what is inside except for the sunlight. The plants give off oxygen, which is a byproduct of the process of photosynthesis. This oxygen exits through the stomata. And then the millipedes take up this oxygen through respiration and they give off the byproduct of respiration, which we know as carbon dioxide.
Organisms inside will slowly adapt to increase survival and reproduce. When they fail to adopt the environment inside, these organisms will eventually die, which in our case is our millipedes. And too much stress might not be enough to consider as to why organisms die inside in our terrarium. So what are the factors that could affect the survival of the millipedes inside? So, number 1, food supply. And number 2 is environmental conditions. And number 3 is oxygen, carbon dioxide levels.
As a continuation, we're all left with the millipedes carcass, followed by the death of all living organisms inside. Increase in CO2 means food for plant will result to increase in O2, which is toxic for most plants. And all the living things are linked in chains or connected. When one of them is threatened, it can shake up the whole ecosystem. Let's see what happens, for example, in our terrarium when it loses a species. Just a recall, so plants and millipedes need each other, but we are left with the millipedes carcass. This leads to an increase in carbon dioxide, which means more food for the plants. But this also leads to an increase in oxygen, which is toxic or harmful to most plants. This event is followed by the death of almost all of the recognized plants inside the terrarium. Then, the organisms inside have declined rapidly just because we have lost one species.
The good news is that the ecosystem wants to go back in its original state. But when the damage is significantly big, this could change the whole ecosystem forever. Old species will be replaced by new one, and decomposers will feast on the remains inside the terrarium until energy could not flow anymore. So this ends our 3rd week update for our terrarium. So we hope you do like our video because we really put much effort in making these last 2 videos. in stitching all the informations and making these whole things come up. I hope you subscribe in our page and like this video. Just keep on viewing because we have our last video and this will talk about the decomposers inside the terrarium. So if you are wondering about the continuation of our intro clip, then continue to watch the videos. So thank you!
Kamawala!
Go!